So this is the remarkable DxO1. It is the world's smallest 1-inch format sensor camera. So it has the same 1-inch format sensor as the Sony RX100 III. It also has a very fast f1.8 lens, 6 spherical elements, 6-bladed shutter. It's perfectly capable of capturing still photos, standalone, or videos. You can swipe on the OLED display to switch between photos and videos like so. But it's really designed to be used as a professional quality connected camera. The way you connect it to your iPhone and your iPad is to simply push down a little bit further on the lens cover. This can be done with one hand, like so, and that pops out the lightning connector, which then attaches to your iPhone, in this case to my iPhone 6 Plus. Immediately the app launches, your iPhone Retina display becomes the big, beautiful viewfinder for the camera, as well as the control center for it. All of the controls, everything shooting from RAW to JPEG, are directly accessible through a very, very intuitive interface. You've got a 2-stage physical shutter button up on top, and it focuses based on both contrast and face detection. There's also a soft shutter button down in the lower left-hand corner as well, that you can depress like so. To access advanced controls, tap in the lower right-hand corner. You've got access to your auto scene modes for sports, portrait, landscape, and night photography, and then your advanced modes, program, aperture, speed priority, full manual. If I tap on aperture priority, one of my favorite modes right there, you can see on the left-hand side, you now have access to a sidebar full of controls. Just tapping, for example, on the aperture, and you dial in precisely the aperture that you want. Same for your ISO, same for your exposure compensation. You also have your metering modes and your focusing modes, including, new to this version of software, manual focus with a magnification loop in the center. You can switch to capturing high-resolution video by tapping down at the bottom. It captures both 1080p and 720p. 720p goes up to 120 frames per second. The connector actually rotates plus and 60 degrees to allow for some very, very creative angles. Where the camera excels more than anything else is in extreme low light and in portrait photography, because it has a sensor that is 6.5 times larger than the iPhone's, and that coupled with a fast lens gives you some amazing, beautiful portraits using every bit of that 20 megapixel resolution sensor. And the great thing about a connected camera is that it moves the photos from the camera to your iPhone seamlessly in the background, and then you're able to share them using all of the same sharing services that you use with your iPhone today. And so that's it. That is the remarkable DxO1 professional quality connected camera.